You are going to love the 2012 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote keyless entry, rear stabilizer bar, 160-amp alternator, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps, front stabilizer bar, full-size spare tire, halogen headlamps, electronic stability control. Inside you'll find remote start, leather-wrapped steering wheel, security alarm, child safety rear door locks, front and rear floor mats. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.